Hey, what's up guys? This is Johnny Polo. Today we have a special video. I'm going to do an unboxing of a couple of cigars that I got. I just got probably 5 or 6 boxes in, but this one is definitely one of my favorites. This is the Crown Heads Mil Diaz, but these are the Magicos. These are absolutely amazing. If you can find these, definitely give them a try. They're really great. I'm gonna open one out for you so you can see it. I do smoke a lot of these, and every time I run out, I end up buying more and more. They're getting rare to find, honestly, but if you do some online research, you can still find them in a lot of stores. If you're looking for one, also let me know. I can leave a comment with where I got them from, but these are absolutely amazing. I got a couple of boxes of the Mil Diaz. This one over here is from JR Cigars. This is the Samurai, and this is the Bellicoso. These are really good cigars as well, always a good smoke. I really enjoy these cigars. Definitely give them a try as well. What's next? This one. Let's see. Feels like Christmas over here. This one, I have some Ashtons. A couple of Ashton Symmetry. These are really good cigars as well. Of course, you cannot go wrong with Ashton. That's it. The whole box for 3 cigars. I guess that's what happens when you buy Ashtons. With this right here. Let's take a look. Ooh. Now this is a nice one. These are the Julius Caesar by Diamond Crown. These are absolutely amazing cigars. This is my second box actually. I believe I ended up getting the Robusto size. And here it is. Diamond Crown, Julius Caesar, Robusto. I mean, what a presentation. Just looks absolutely amazing. It's always nice to open a Julius Caesar box. I love the leather look, I love the colors, and definitely they're great cigars as well. Seems like Cigar Page sent me some gifts as well. Over here, let's see what we have in this one. Like we got, oh, this is the cutter. I've been waiting on that. This is the Colibri V-cut cutter. Man, that looks so good. So good. Yep, can't wait to try this one out. I saw a lot of great reviews about it. I'm very excited for it. JR had a great deal also going on with this. This is an ashtray and a lighter as well. Wow. Absolutely amazing quality. I'm very impressed. This it says Cabanas on it. Really nice. I told you guys I bought a lot of stuff, so bear with me. It's gonna be a great video for sure. we still have a lot to go through. And it's not only just cigars, I have some accessories also that came in. These right here, these are super rare to find. These are the Oliva Serie V Milanio, but this is the 6th sampler. And what's really special about this one, it has 2 Lanceros in it, which you cannot find in any other boxes, and you cannot buy them anywhere apparently, except if you buy the sampler. I got this one from Cigar Page. A huge thanks to them, honestly, for making it happen. But here it is. You got the 2 Lanceros over here, and then the rest, you have Maduro and you have Natural as well. They're great, great cigars. Yep, it's very, very impressive. And over here, I have the Plasencia Alma de Fuego. It's a sampler. Comes with 3 cigars. I also got this one from Cigar Page. I mean, these are absolutely amazing. Definitely give them a try if you can get your hands on them. I love the Petit Lancero from the Alma de Fuego. Definitely, if you can find them, give them a try. And I got another box of the Oliva Serie V sampler. Every time I can find some, I buy them. And then this one's pretty light. Let's see what it is. We got another 3 of the Ashton Symmetry. So we got 6 total. And for some reason they packaged each one in a box. But hey, I'm okay with that. Right here, this one is kind of heavy, so seems like it's exciting. Let's see. What do we have? This one. Nice. We have the Aging Room Nicaragua. These are the Quattros. These are really, really good cigars. I mean, they're highly rated for a reason. Honestly, you cannot, they won't disappoint. Definitely give them a try. I got a 10-pack over here. And you guys are gonna love this one. I've been waiting on this one for a while now. Let me see if I can open it. There we go. Guys, look at this. This is the Davidoff limited edition collection, anniversary #1. These are great, absolutely amazing. I've been waiting on them for a couple of weeks now. But you guys, look at this. Wow. Very, very impressive. Man, I can't wait to smoke one of these. This is actually my second Davidoff box. I don't have a lot of Davidoff products. I was very excited to get this one. And I'm so excited that it finally got here. Let's put it on the side. We still have one more to go. That's this one. This one is also kind of heavy. Go over it, see what's in it. I hope you guys are as much as excited as I am. Ooh, yep. These I got from JR Cigars. These are the Macanudos Inspirado. Really, really good cigars. I bought this box actually for my mother. She loves these. They smoke really well. And it comes with a free 5-pack also of the Macanudo Cafe. And last but not least, it comes also with a beautiful, beautiful ashtray. I've been waiting patiently to see this one. I didn't expect it to be this big, but in the pictures it looks kind of smaller, honestly. But look at this, guys. What a gorgeous, gorgeous ashtray. Wow. Well, that's it for today. If you guys have any questions, definitely let me know and I'll be happy to answer. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel as well.